In this video, we're going to learn how to create a new Apple Watch project. So first, click on Create New Xcode Project. Now, for this project, we're going to select Single View Application. Choose a name for your application. I'll choose Cookie Counter _ Apple Watch. Hit Next. Now select the location for your project and hit Create. Now this looks like a normal iOS application. In order to include the Apple Watch API, we will go to File, New, and then Target. Under the iOS section, you'll see Apple Watch. Select WatchKit app, click Next, and then Finish. Now Xcode is asking us if we want to include the WatchKit app scheme or not. We will click Activate. Now you will notice that there are two new folders over here, the WatchKit extension folder and the WatchKit app folder. The WatchKit extension folder includes all the files that are needed for the Apple Watch to run. The WatchKit app folder includes the interface storyboard. Now, to make sure everything is working fine, we are going to put a label inside the storyboard. So, select label and put it inside the storyboard. Select the Assistant Editor view. You will notice that the interface controller.m file has opened in the right hand window. Go to the interface controller.h file, hold Ctrl and drag the label into the .h file. We will call it title label. Now go into the interface controller.m file and we will set the text for this title label to Hello World. Now build the project. Onto a simulator now. You will notice that instead of one simulator, now we are running two simulators. One is your iOS app screen and the other one is your Apple Watch screen. Our label displays Hello World, just like we wanted it to, so we know everything is working fine. Good job.